We signed up for this program to do our part in iShare in the community to fight this pandemic and to move forward and to keep not only our students and family, but our community safe.
This is an extra step for us to be safe and make sure that we don't spread it and we don't catch it ourselves.
Well, we thought it was a great opportunity for us to be proactive in keeping our employees and customers safe.
We thought it was a good thing to be community-minded, to make sure our employees are safe and that we're keeping everyone we come in contact with safe.
The screening program will mean another tool in the fight towards this program, not only for our employees, but in general to move forward.
I think it's going to take a lot of stress out of the interaction with our employees internally, and that they'll feel more confident that they're not risking their family and their lives by coming to work.
It's going to mean keep working and being able to not only for the business to stay up and alive, but also for our workers to have a job. Just be safe and be smart.